Hey friend, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you a drink recipe, and this is not something that I normally do, but we're gonna do some mulled wine. Now, to make this kid friendly, or just alcohol free in general, we're gonna be using juice today. And I have this beautiful gift that I got for my birthday that has all the different spices, traditional mulling spices that you need. And essentially, mulling is just adding a little bit of sweet and a little bit of spiciness, various spices, to your wine or to your grape juice. And it's amazing. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is, I just said grape juice and I realized I picked up apple juice instead of grape juice. So I've got some organic apple juice here, and we're gonna do 20 ounces of that. So that's gonna go into the pot. Ooh, so close. Wow, 19.9 ounces. Okay, next to that, I'm gonna reset it and we're gonna add in 7 ounces of orange juice. You could also substitute this for just sugar if you don't want to add orange juice. Okay. Now for the fun stuff. I'm gonna add in 1 whole little vial of cranberries. Pop. Okay. That goes in. Cranberries get stuck, and so does the tape on my finger. Get out, cranberries! There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, a 1/4 vial of ginger. So this is dried ginger chips. So about a 1/4 vial, so like half of what's left. This ginger will add a lot of warmth to your beverage. A 1/4 of a vial of cinnamon chips. So it's not powder, it's like little, it's basically like they took a cinnamon stick and kind of just broke it up into little pieces. So, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, cinnamon. We're gonna do a 1/3 of a vial of pink peppercorns. 1/3 of that. There we go. A few juniper berries. Another 1/3 of a vial. 3 cardamom pods. 1, 2, 3. Should have probably cracked those now that I think about it, but that's okay. And a few cloves. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now all you do is put that over some heat, bring it up to a simmer, and then I'm gonna turn off the heat and let it steep for 2 hours. I'll see you when it's ready. Hey, it's me again. So after filming this, I ended up getting a cold for a couple days. So the cider had been sitting in my fridge, but I have re-warmed it up and I have it here to share with you and take a little sip and let you know what it's like. So I wasn't sure how the orange juice mixed with apple juice would work, but honestly, you don't really taste it, but the orange juice gives the apple juice that kind of cider-ish tang to it, if you know what I mean. And of course, the spices add so much to it. I mostly taste the cinnamon and the ginger, but I'm sure the balance of everything else kind of lends to the whole flavor. But, and actually there might be, I think I noticed a little spiciness from the peppercorns. Or it could be the ginger, I'm not sure. But either way, this is so good. You could probably take like a whole jar of apple juice and probably half of a container of orange juice and do the whole recipe with more spices if you're feeding a crowd, because this didn't make all that much, maybe like 2 mugs full of this, of the size mug. But yeah, super, super comforting. I hope you enjoy it. And when this video is posted, it'll be about a week before Halloween. So this is a wonderful drink to heat up before you send the kids out trick-or-treating or before you go out with them. But it's a really great way to stay warm as these seasons change. So let me know in the comments if you give this recipe a try, or if you have a similar recipe that you enjoy having when you're out walking in the cold. So for then, until next time, I'll see you. Take care.